back whenever you get a chance, and yeah, we'll go. Oh, fuck. All right. Damn. God damn it. Ah. Fuck. Come on, bro. We clean though. We fresh. It's okay.